Okay. So for today's video, it's going to be an all English, well, a little bit of Tagalog. Kasi alam nyo naman, pag travel vlogs, nagtatagalog talaga tayo. Pero tono, Ilonggo, punyeta. Adjust muna ako today para sa mga katutubo natin sa Pilipinas. So for today's video, I'm taking you to Vietnam. First order of business, of course, when you come to Vietnam is their coffee, their egg coffee. It's a Vietnamese nationally acclaimed coffee made of egg yolks. Kung sa Pilipinas ang itlog binabate, dito sa Hanoi, iniinom. Kaya ikaw kaibigan, kung mahilig ka sa itlog na matapang, punta na sa Hanoi. Dito lang yan sa Pi Hang Gai Coffee Shop. So after na naming matry yung egg coffee, we had a little bit of strolling around the old quarter para maghanap kung saan kami kakain for lunch. So we end up having lunch here at Tong's Kitchen. Well, the serving sizes are average, but it's really worth the price. After namin kumain, pumunta kami sa VR game at Lotte Sky Deck. The price range is around 200 pesos per game. And since andun ka na sa Lotte Sky Deck, dumiretso ka na sa langit. Charot. Dumiretso ka na sa Lotte Observation Deck. It's around 200 to 500 pesos. And nasa loob lang siya ng Lotte Center. After Lotte Center, syempre ang pinakasikat, the Train Street. From Lotte Center, you can take a cab. It's around 75 pesos lang papunta sa Train Street. Kaya kung big fan ka ng Home Along the Riles, punta na dito at hanapin si Aling Azon Chareto. Anyways, try nyo yung tinapay na to. Bilog siya at masarap. Honestly, I just forgot the name of what it's called. Kaya ang bobo no description ko. And while I was looking around, I think I saw Jessica Strope. I'm just not sure, pero sinend ko sa kapatid ko. Sabi niya hindi naman daw. So I can't get enough of Jessica Strope, so kinain ko na lang yung banh mi. Jessica, if you're watching, please confirm if that's you. So, inantay namin yung train kasi sabi nila mas maganda daw yung train sa gabi. Sabi ko, bakit daw lumilipad yung train kung gabi? Charot lang. Girl, excuse me, yung kamot mo. Ay, Ilonggo. Kamay mo, te. Charot lang. Which hindi sa. So, after that, we went to find some booze. And we took a cyclo from Train Street. Mga nasa 150 pesos yung pamasahe. Arte ba pamasahe? Alam nga naman pamasahe. Anyways, andito na kami sa nakakabuhay ng dugo. Kita nyo naman, nagbibideo call pa ako sa anak ko. Charot. Ang hirap talaga mawalay sa anak. Charot, pamangkin ko po. Ganito talaga yung paborito namin when traveling. Kasi syempre, pag lasing ka na, lahat tropa-tropa na. And this is how you order beer in Vietnam. Hindi ka pa nakainom, parang manununtok ka na. Charot. Mababait yan sila, madaldal lang. So that's the end of our first day in Vietnam. See you tomorrow. That's it for today. Bye!